How to use Google Slides for presentations. Public speaking, don't sweat it. This video will guide you through using Google Slides. Google Slides allows you to create stunning presentations from scratch or leverage pre-designed templates to jumpstart your creative process. Open slides.google.com in your web browser, choose a blank canvas for full creative control, or explore the vast library of free and professional templates to find a design that matches your presentation's theme. Click on a text box or placeholder to add your title, headings, and body text. You can also add images, videos, and charts to visually enhance your slides. You can explore different themes and layouts to match your presentation's tone and content. Consider your audience but the overall message you want to convey. Use clear fonts, consistent text size, and strategic spacing to ensure your slides are easy to read from a distance. Don't overload your slides with text. Incorporate subtle animations for your text and elements to add dynamism to your presentation. Apply transitions between slides for a smooth flow and polished look. Avoid distracting or overwhelming animations and use them strategically to emphasize key points. Google Slides allows seamless collaboration so you can share your presentation with colleagues to work on it together, gather feedback, and refine your content before your big day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.